Hello everyone, this is Pinky Yadav from Suraj School Mahendragarh. So students, let's start the class, and today we will discuss or we will learn the remaining part of voice. As you know, voice is going on in our classes on our YouTube channel. In last video I taught you how can we change active into passive. We had discussed present indefinite and present continuous tense. So today we will discuss present perfect tense. How can we change present perfect into passive? Present perfect. Present perfect tense. Whenever we have sentence of present perfect tense, then how we will change this type of sentence. So for this tense, we have structure for active, subject plus, has, have plus, we third plus, object. We will get this structure in present perfect, and we have to change this structure into passive. So for passive, we have to follow the structure. Subject is changed into object and object is changed into subject, and we always use we third in passive voice because tense cannot be changed. Tense never changed in passive, and only verb of the tense, verb of the form of the verb is changed, right? So object will be changed into subject. Subject plus has, have plus been plus we third plus by plus object. So this is the structure which we have to follow whenever we change active into passive in present perfect tense. Whenever we have sentence of present perfect tense, then we will change, we will get already this structure and we have to change into this structure. For example, she has taken, she has taken her lunch. She has taken her lunch. She has taken her lunch. Here it is subject, helping verb, main verb and object. Object her lunch. Now we have to change into passive. So we will follow this structure. Object will be changed into subject. So her lunch. Her lunch subject, and then has, have. Already we have get has. Her lunch is singular, then we will use has. Her lunch has been taken by she. It is nominative case, it is subjective case, and here we have to change or we have to use objective case. So what is the objective case of she? Her. Like this we will change subject is changed into object and object is changed into subject, and we always use third form of verb, always. And according to new subject we have to use helping verb. Like if I use here they, then we will use their. They have taken their lunch, then here will be their lunch have been taken by them. Like this we will change whatever the subject we find here, we have to change this subject into object here, right? So this is the example of present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, it is affirmative structure, it is affirmative type, and then we have to change. Now we will change negative sentence. Negative, what will you find? What is the difference between affirmative negative? Only there is a difference of I have not used here not शब्द जो word use है वो मैंने use नहीं किया यहाँ पर. So structure for this, active and passive. Subject plus has, have plus note. This is the difference. Subject plus has have plus note plus being. Look, what's the difference between active and passive? Here देखो ये active का structure है. Active में हमारे पास क्या मिला? Subject has have plus note plus V third plus object. And here subject plus has have already लिखा हुआ है. प्लस नोट भी यहाँ पे है, प्लस बीन. इसमें देखो बीन नहीं है, यहाँ पर हमने बीन यूज कर दिया अपनी तरफ से. इट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. एज यू नो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में हमने अपने पास से इज एम आर यूज किया, राइट. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस में अपने पास से हमने बीइंग यूज किया यहाँ पर. एंड इट इज परफेक्ट टेंस. परफेक्ट में हमने पास से क्या यूज किया? बीन, राइट. एंड वी थर्ड प्लस बाय प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. बाय एज ए एजेंट यूज किया जाता बिफोर द न्यू ऑब्जेक्ट, बिफोर द ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट. सो look the example. They have not done their work. They have not done their work. They subject. सब्जेक्ट हमें मिला एंड देन हैव मिल गया एंड देन नोट एंड देन वी थर्ड एंड देन ऑब्जेक्ट देयर वर्क. सो देयर वर्क इज ऑब्जेक्ट, दे इज सब्जेक्ट, हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड वी थर्ड. नाउ वी विल चेंज दिस. ऑब्जेक्ट का हम क्या करेंगे? सब्जेक्ट बनाएंगे. देयर वर्क, देयर वर्क, देयर वर्क. और अगेन इट इज सिंगुलर बन गया. उनका काम, काम तो एक ही है. सो देयर, तो यहाँ पर हम अगर यूज करें तो दे को देखते हुए हम यहाँ पर प्लूरल मान सकते हैं. बट देयर वर्क, उनका काम. देयर वर्क हैज बीन डन बाय देम. देयर वर्क हैज बीन डन बाय देम. Like this we will change negative also into passive voice. Then next type is interrogative sentence. So what will we do in interrogative? In interrogative we will use these helping verb in the beginning. After that subject and then we third and then object. In interrogative, has have plus subject plus V third plus object plus question mark. We will get this structure. We will get this structure. Has have plus subject plus V third plus object plus question mark. Again, we can't change the type of sentence. We have to change only form of the verb. Form of the verb is changed. Sentence or tense cannot be changed into passive. So has have plus ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट के प्लेस पे लाएंगे. सब्जेक्ट प्लस अपने पास से हम क्या यूज करेंगे? बीन. बीन प्लस वी थर्ड प्लस बाय प्लस क्वेश्चन मार्क. लुक, इंटेरोगेटिव में, एफर्मेटिव में भी, इंटेरोगेटिव का जो हमारे पास ऑलरेडी स्ट्रक्चर मिला, ऑलरेडी स्ट्रक्चर में हमें क्वेश्चन मार्क मिला. यहाँ पर इंटेरोगेशन सिंबल है यहाँ पर. एंड पैसिव में भी हम एज इट इज सिंबल यूज करेंगे बिकॉज वी कांट चेंज द टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस. whatever the type of sentence we get in active, passive में भी सेम रहेगा एज इट इज. एग्जाम्पल, have you read this book? Question mark. Have you read this book? Question mark. So have helping verb and then subject and then V third and then object. ऑब्जेक्ट को हम क्या करेंगे? सब्जेक्ट के प्लेस पे ले आएंगे. दिस बुक. नाउ लुक, हेयर क्या था हमारे पास, हेल्पिंग वर्ब था, हेल्पिंग एंड देन क्वेश्चन मार्क। यहाँ पर अगर ऑब्जेक्टिव से मैं स्टार्ट कर दूंगी सो इट विल नॉट बी कॉल्ड इंटेरोगेटिव, इंटेरोगेटिव नहीं बनेगा। एंड वी हैव टू रिमेन, हमें अपने ये रखना है कैसा, एज इट इज, इंटेरोगेटिव। सो बिफोर दिस ऑब्जेक्ट वी हैव टू यूज हेयर व्हाट, हेल्पिंग वर्ब, like this, right? So what will be there, this book. This book is singular or plural? It is singular, that's why I will use here has. Has, this book has subject this book and then been, has this book been, and then third form read, by, subject have you. You, what is the objective case of you? Here it is subjective case, here it is has been used as a subjective case and now we have to change into objective case. So you is changed into you whenever we have to change into objective case, question mark. Like this we will change interrogative in present perfect tense also into passive. So these are the example of present perfect tense in which we have discussed affirmative, negative and perfect tense, and affirmative, negative and interrogative. There are three types of sentence we have changed or we have discussed in present perfect tense. How can we change into active into passive, right? This is all for today.